Do you want to build your first Pega application in just 5 minutes?
What?
Believe it or not, it's that easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in 5 simple steps. My name is Abhishek and I'm a certified senior system architect with nearly a decade-long experience of working with a Pega platform. When I started my career as a Pega developer, I worked with lower versions like version 6 and even version 5. Trust me, working with those versions relatively involved a lot more effort. Over the years, Pega platform has evolved into what we see now, making application development even simpler, easier, and faster. This is a great news for anyone who's starting to learn it now. Low-code capabilities of the Pega platform accelerate the process of application development, which means you can develop an application on the Pega platform in virtually no time. That's the reason why there's a great demand for Pega developers in high-paying jobs, and that's the reason why you should learn it. Alright, let's look at the 5-step approach of creating a new application on the Pega platform. I'm going to use the latest version Infinity 23 for demonstration purpose. However, if you are using a lower version like version 8 or version 7, don't worry. The approach is going to be more or less the same. In the Dev Studio, click on the Application menu in the header and select New Application. This will open the New Application wizard. On the first screen, hover over Build from Scratch and click Continue. Pega platform offers 2 different UI architecture types. The latest architecture, named Constellation, is view-based, whereas the traditional architecture is section rule-based. In most cases, the traditional architecture is still used, so I'm going to select the same here. Provide a relevant name for your application. Click on the Advanced Configuration link. It brings up a model dialog that allows you to configure different application settings such as Number 1. Application structure. You have a choice here. You can choose between framework and implementation. If you anticipate that you need to reuse the case types or data model or integration components of this application in another application in future, you should define this application as framework, otherwise as implementation. I'm going to leave it as implementation for now. Number 2, organization settings. Enter an appropriate organization name, division name, and unit name. Number 3, class layers. By default, the enterprise class structure contains organization layer and application layer. Optionally, you can include division layer and unit layer as suitable in your case. In my case, I'm going to generate a division layer. Click on Save. This closes the model dialog. Finally, click on the Create Application button. It will take a few seconds before it generates the application displaying this success message. Note that the application access is automatically granted to the user that you use to create it. Optionally, you can add more users to the application. To do so, simply enter the email ID of the user and click on Add. To navigate to the newly created application, click on Go to App button. It opens the app in the App Studio for you to build the required functionality into it. You can also do the same from the Dev Studio. It is important to note that at this moment your application does not perform any action because we haven't built any functionality into it yet. Think of your Pega application as a car. In this video, we have built the frame, but you still need an engine, wheels, and a steering wheel to make it functional. In the next video, I will show you how to install these components and get your application rolling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Pega tutorials. In the comments below, let me know if you would like a detailed video explaining the different studios of the Pega platform like App Studio, Dev Studio, and Admin Studio. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, leave them as comments below. I will make sure that I read and reply to all of them.